Hello, and welcome to the new Mindscape. I'm David Palmer, and in this video, I'm going to talk about what we can do to get started with designing our operating system. Most people are executing an operating system without knowing it. Well, you can open up the operating system and understand how it works. Which parts are good for us and which parts hurt us. And you can learn what it takes to build a new operating system. So, what is broken about our operating system? It divides us. It divides your body, your mind, and your spirit. It makes you fight against yourself. Your body against your mind against your body, your spirit against your mind, your spirit against your body, your mind against your body and your spirit. One is overdeveloped and the other is weak and sickly. Since you made it into HKU, there's a good chance that your intellect is well developed and that your body and spirit are atrophied. The operating system has divided you against yourself. It divides us against our world. It treats the world intellectually as a resource to be extracted and monetized. It neglects that we are bodies living in the world and spirits who care about the world. It litters the world with suffering bodies and suffering spirits and turns the world itself into litter. And it divides humanity against itself. It formats us into producers and consumers. It defines us by numbers. It values us by our place in a ranking or our distance from an average. We don't know who we are, so we define ourselves by who we are not. We don't know who we are, so we fear and hate those who we are not. Society is broken and we don't know how to fix the pieces. It's our operating system that's broken. Can we build an operating system that strengthens and unifies our body, our mind, and our spirit? Can we build an operating system that enhances the communication and unity between us and our living planet? That enhances understanding and unity among humans? So, where should we start? Well, I say, reach in, reach out, look around, reach up, reach down, and look ahead. Reach in. That means know and listen to your body and to your spirit. Reach out. That means know and listen to others. Look around. Know the reality you're in. Be wise. Reach up. Connect to the divine. Strive for the highest ideals. Reach down. Keep your 2 feet on the ground. Be practical. Look ahead. March forward with a clear vision. So, reach in, reach out, look around, reach up, reach down, and look ahead. This is a critical task, and this course is going to get you working on it.